Welcome to Technology Platforms. Let's continue the session now. So earlier session we saw that how to access the files based on the folders. Now we want to see how to access the subfolders, the same using code itself. So now we already written here now the same thing, but again one another for each loop, and variable is like subfolders list. I'm declaring a variable here, and then in folder dot. So I used files. Now I used subfolders. Now next, that's it. So now here, I want to again go to the folder path now to reiterate when the folder has no subfolders or no subfiles. Till now, I need to loop it. So what I can do here is like again I want to use call. So inside process itself, I want to call it get subfolder files, and the folder path, same folder path plus this one, then the subfolder list dot name, means that is folder name here, plus the subfolder files. Now if you here see this, so technology platform, earlier we access only this file. Now I want to click on this folder one and slash folder one slash. So this g dot platform is the folder path, and then I am adding slash and then folder one slash, then it will go like this. So that is I am accessing via code here for each subfolder list in subfolders, and then name I call it out here. Now before that, I want to do that first I count whether its folder is present or not. That if folder dot subfolders dot count greater than 0, then only I will call this loop. Otherwise I should not call it. So now we can run it. We'll see what is happening here, and then we'll decide. So we are accessing the files here, we are accessing the folders here. I'm calling it out F8, select technology platform, given OK, G platform, calling the functions, a process method, whatever it is, folder path, creating an object, accessing the platform folder, and accessing the files. So this one is triple two ticks, and this is size of the file, and I+1. There is no more additional file should be. Now it has come to here. Folder does subfolders greater than 0. Now subfolders, folder 1. Now again, if you see here, g.technology platform, and this one is folder 1. Now it will come it over here. Now the folder 1 files we are going to access. See this? So I can use F5 now. We'll see Excel. Yeah, we can see so many files, but something happened here. We have so many files inside so many files, but we could see only few. We could see only 4 files. Something is overwritten because I'll tell you here, remove it. I'm again F8, 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 selecting the folder, F8, F8, F8. Now see the range. Go to Excel sheet. Now this one triple two text. F8, F8, F8. Now see this, it came. Again, if you press F8, it's overwritten. So to avoid this, what I'm going to do here is like here I equal to I plus 1. So for that I want to always insert one row and then I will insert mine. So for that I'm going to write here is like I equal to cells dot rows dot count comma, what is the column we have to insert? A column, and then dot end excel up dot row plus 1. What it is mean I will tell you now. So now let me F8 run it. F8 select the technology platform. Okay, the platform. Now this I equal to 4. Now see this, even though 4, it additionally add one row and then it started to write. Now F8. Now see this, again here adding additionally one row. So like that it is adding F8, F8, F8. Now see this, this is one folder. In another folder I will press F5 now. Now see this, so this is folder 1, this is folder 2, and this is folder 3. So something is gap is here that is not required. So I remove this 1, 1 and 1. Now see this. Now see this. F5. Select the folder. Okay. This one. Now see, everything is came like this. So all we achieve by using this folder list. But what it is, this one, I'll tell you now. Now I hope this is clear. Now I'm going to record macro here. Record macro, macro 1. Here I'll select this one and then control up arrow I'm pressing to moving up here. Now stop the macro and then you can see here macro 1 edit. You will see this Excel up. So I used end Excel up, end Excel up. So that means what I'm saying to the program is like wherever the cursor is, just go to top and then insert one row and add it here so that the overwritten will be avoided. So this is the simplest function where we can achieve it easily. Let me show you. Okay, so if you see here, so only by using this simple functions we can extract all the files and folders, subfolders, including everything. So thanks for watching.